Alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. This is our third lesson. In these lessons we will discuss parts of speech part 2. In part 2, we will have Feilun, verb, Ismun, pronoun, and Ismun, part of pronoun. Before going to our main topics, let's see some example in English of a verb. Like example number 1, flying is a good exercise. Here, flying is a noun. It is called verbal noun. In Arabic, it is called masdar. Number 2, I saw a flying bird. Here the flying is used as adjective and it is called active participle. Number 3, I saw an American writer. Here the writer is called active participle as well and it is used as a noun. Number 4, the book was written. Here the written is a passive participle. And number 5, go, see it. It is command form of verb, also called imperative form of verb. In Arabic, it is called amr. If we notice that the number 2 and number 1, the both verbs are same, the flying, but one is used as a noun and another one is used as a adjective. Depend on the context of the sentence, this verb is used accordingly. Number 3 and number 2, the both are called active participle. The number 2, the flying, is active participle, and number 3, the writer, is also active participle. So we are observing that the active participle can be used as an adjective or it can be used as a noun. So we have to remember this one. The relation between 2 and 3 and relation between 1 and 2. So in Arabic, we also can use a verb in these 5 different ways. So Arabic, the verb is called Feilun. The Feilun can used in 6 different ways that we have already discussed. Now we will see how it will be used in a sentence. First form of verb is past tense verb. It is called al-madi in Arabic. And the second form of verb is al-mudari, or the present tense verb. The third one is commanding verb. In Arabic, it is called amr. Fourth one is jiran, the verbal noun. In Arabic, it is called al-masdar. Fifth form of verb is called active participle, or in Arabic, it is called ismul fa'il. And the sixth one is called passive participle. In Arabic, it is called ismul maf'ul. Arabic verb can be used in this 6 form in a sentence. Like the zahaba means he went. We know that the he subject is inbuilt within this verb zahaba. The zahaba can be converted into present tense verb like yazhabu means he goes. This verb also can be converted to amor, the commanding verb like izhab. Izhab means go. It also can be converted into Ziran, the Masdar, like Zahabun means going. In active participle form of verb, it will be Zahib, one who goes. And the passive form, Ismul Maf'ul, will be Mazhub, means gone. Let's see one more verb. Amila. Amila means he worked. And Yamalu means he works, present tense verb. And in commanding verb, it will be Ihmal, means work. Zirant will be Amal, working. An active participle, Ismul Fa'il, will be Amil, worker. The passive participle will be Mahmul. Sorry, here there is a mistake in typing. It will be Ma'mul. Let's see another verb. Karuma means he understood. Present tense will be Yakrumu, he understands. And the Amor will be Ukrum, understood, understand. And Zidant will be Karam, understanding. And the active participle will be Karim, who understand. And the passive participle will be Makrum. Among these 6 different form of verb, the Jiran, the Masdar is little bit complicated to memorize because each verb has each pattern. I mean, a single pattern, very few verb can be incorporated in a single pattern. But in past tense verb, present tense verb, armor, active participle and passive, the one formula can be used for most of the verb. Every verbs, all verbs fall in the same formula in present tense verb, past tense verb, commanding verb, active participle and passive participle. One formula is enough. But in Masdar, different verb has different pattern. So this will be little bit difficult for us to memorize. We have to memorize, there is no way. So let's see, now we will discuss about Ismun. In Ismun, we will first discuss about pronoun. So in Arabic, the pronoun or noun has 3 forms, singular, dual and plural. Whereas in English, it has only 2, singular and plural. In Arabic, the pronouns are 14 pronouns and it can be grouped like the group 1, the third person male, huwa, huma, whom. Huwa means he, huma means they, dual male, and whom means they, plural male. Group 2, the third person female, hiya, huma, hunna. Hiya means he, she, huma means they, dual female, hunna means they, plural female. Group 3, second person male, anta, antuma, antum. Anta, you, single male, antuma, you, dual male, antum, you, plural male. Group 4, second person female, anti, antuma, antunna. Anti means you, single female, antuma, you, dual female, antunna, you, plural female. And finally, group 5, the first person, ana and nahnu. So these are the 14 pronouns in Arabic. These 14 pronouns are very important for us. We have to memorize this one. If we can memorize this one, it will be very helpful for us for our upcoming lessons. If we notice here that the dual in third person male and female are same, huma huma. The second person male female, the dual is same, antuma antuma. This is same, antuma antuma. And in first person there is no dual, only this is singular and this is plural, no dual. So there is a way, there is a song in Arabic pronoun to memorize. We will sing a song, this pronoun song. Huwa, huma, hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum. These are the 14 pronouns. Let's sing one more time. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum. I request all of you to memorize these 14 pronouns. Now we will discuss about Ismun noun. Ismun noun, we have definiteness of noun, gender of noun, number of noun, and the flexibility of noun. Definiteness noun means definite and indefinite noun. Gender means masculine and feminine gender. Number is singular and dual and plural number. Flexibility means fully flexible, non-flexible, and partly flexible. So we will discuss today this definiteness of noun, and this part will be discussed in our next lesson, inshallah. So definiteness in Ismun means the indefinite and definite noun. Indefinite noun example are baitun, a house, ghurfatun, a room, kitabun, a book. These two dhamma at the last letter of the word indicate indefiniteness. It also indicates a in Arabic, as there is no a in Arabic like in English. So we have to remember that the double dhamma at the end of the noun indicate a. Now if we put al before this indefinite noun, the noun will be definite. Baitun will be al baitu, the house. Ghurfatun will be al ghurfatu, the room. Kitabun will be al kitabu, the book. If we notice that this al is changing the double dhamma to single dhamma of the word, and the word become definite. This is very simple, nothing complicated in this area of definite and indefinite. This noun in indefinite state always remain to dhamma, and in definite state it always remain single dhamma. This is the default state of noun. Our next lessons will be gender of noun, masculine, feminine, number of noun, singular, dual, plural, and the flexibility of noun. This is the end of our lesson 3. Thank you for watching.